So today I'm bringing a topic that a lot of you have asked me, especially because I talk a lot about solo traveling, and I'm here in the streets of Mykonos to tell you how to make friends while traveling the world. My name is Fonsi and I've been traveling around the world by myself for more than 3 years. Now, backpacking the world, it's an extraordinary experience. You've probably have seen through my blogs that I just love to meet people from all around the world while doing so. While traveling solo or with friends, meeting other people from other backgrounds helps you expand your reality and to learn actually from other cultures and the stories of other people. So how do you actually do that? Well, first of all, you have to stay in a hostel. Even though you may not like sharing a room with other people, you can actually stay in private rooms. So if privacy is a problem for you, don't worry about that. But I think if you're looking to meet other solo travelers, the best way is to stay in hostels. This is one thing that I always say when I talk about traveling alone, is that traveling alone doesn't mean that you have to be lonely or by yourself all the time. Far from reality, traveling alone, it's actually a great way to expand your social abilities and to actually meet great people all around the world. In my case, at least, when I started traveling alone, it was really easy to start connecting with other people. Because of the reasons I mentioned before, people want to kind of understand other people's realities and to get into their mindsets. Now, if you want to meet locals, my biggest advice would be to be really open-minded and to start having conversations with just anyone. You can start talking with the traditional baker from a Greek island. That's what I'm just thinking, because that conversation I had yesterday with a Greek woman that told me about their family and how they've been doing this traditional bread for about 100 years. I had all this background and all these stories that normally maybe I wouldn't have approached her, but as I was open to hear about her story and to actually learn about their background, it was just such a great connection. Now, if you actually want to make friends with them, just go to the social places they are used to. Go to social events, go to big parties. In that environment, they will be for sure open to hear about your story and to talk with you. The next thing is that don't overthink about it. Don't put yourself in the position where you are actually trying to make friends all around the world. Just be open to have conversations, and all those things will just go on their organic and natural way. All the friends that I made around the world, it all started with a small talk conversation about where you're from, which is the main topic that you're gonna use for sure, and the one that it's going to open the possibilities for you to actually bond with or even talk with some people. Tell them about your background, tell them who you are, why you are traveling, and that will be the perfect icebreaker. Once you do that, it's gonna be just pretty easy to actually have that connection later on. So guys, that was my video about how to meet people while traveling on your own or with other friends. Having these social interactions is part of the beauty of traveling, and I just can't recommend you enough to get away from all those fears and this kind of social barriers, and just break them and start meeting great people, because you're gonna find amazing people out there and you're gonna learn so much from this beautiful and diverse planet that we live in. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, give a like, and as always, I will see you guys in the next adventure.